Depending on where you reside, any trash you put out must be separated, as governments seek to divert waste from landfills. Now, if you don't have a curbside trash can to throw your waste into, you're gonna need boxes, containers, or trash cans, and a place to store them. A garage provides homeowners with a secure, quickly accessible room for quick disposal and storage of daily waste. But as you know, they can quickly fill up a room and restrict movement, especially if it's a small garage. BagEZ bag holders make storing waste at home easy. Use small 8 to large 33-gallon garbage bags and turn it into a wall-mounted container. You can set it up in seconds as there's no assembly or tools needed. Simply clip on the bag and that's it. It can't get easier. Its specially designed handles lets you hang BagEZ off just about anything, from nails to hooks or door handles. The point is, you have options. BagEZ opens bags wide to make throwing out large items easy and can keep your bag shut or closed to reduce odors. To support heavy trash bags, BagEZ is made of solid steel and is designed to hold up to 55 pounds. Kicking it was a fun way to test it. Have you ever struggled to pull a bag out of a bin? With BagEZ, all you do is pull off the clips and your bags fall free. It's so easy. We often get asked, what if the bag leaks? We say, use a brand you trust. Today bags are tough and are made to resist tears and punctures. But anything is possible, so for peace of mind, you can double or triple layer your bag before clipping it onto BagEZ. It's that easy. When it comes to managing waste at home and saving space with BagEZ, you can't go wrong. Now available on Amazon.